This YouTube Shorts channel gets 33 million views per month, and they only have 11 videos on their channel. In this video, we are going to be copying them, and I'm going to show you exactly how to generate videos just like this in a matter of seconds with AI, and I'm going to be cloning their channels so you can watch over my shoulder as I do it so you can see how to do it for yourself. Now you might be saying, Matt, what's the point of this? Can I even make money from Shorts? Yes, YouTube Shorts actually pay money, and this video right here is part of a video series, and in the first video in this series, I dispelled the myth that YouTube Shorts can't make money, and I showed how people are making thousands of dollars per month with YouTube Shorts. And it all starts with step one, which is choosing a niche. Now we're gonna be doing the niche of animals versus each other, since we're gonna be copying this channel right here. And this niche is not just working for this channel, it's also working for this one right here, which has over 1 million subscribers, and this one as well. And if we go to their most popular videos, they have tons of videos with over 1 million views. So this is proof that this niche works, and we're gonna model it. Now if you need more niche ideas, make sure to watch video number 2 in this series, because I go over the top 10 best YouTube Shorts niches. Now, step number 2 is choosing a channel name. We don't want to get hung up on this. We want to choose this in literally less than 30 seconds, and here's exactly how to do that. You can use my AI tool, Tube Magic, and I'll put a link below so you can get a free trial for it. We just launched a new feature in here, which is a YouTube channel name generator. So we can put, my channel is about animals versus each other. Then you just click generate right here. And just like that, we have some incredible channel name ideas: Beast Battles, Creature Clash, and Wild Face-Offs. Let's go with Beast Battles. That sounds pretty good. Let's double check real quick that there's no big channel called Beast Battles right now on YouTube. This one only has 20 subscribers. So yeah, let's go with Beast Battles. Then it's time for step 3, which is to create a logo and channel art. You can literally do this in under 2 minutes using a software called snappa.com. They have templates. Just import a template, put them together quickly. This does not matter too much when it comes to YouTube Shorts. What matters is getting incredible ideas that are actually going to go viral. And then it's time for step 4, which is to create our channel. I've got a video on my channel, Make Money Matt, where I show you exactly how to create a YouTube channel step by step, all the settings that you have to do. Your channel can be up and ready in literally 15 minutes. And then it's time for step number 5, which is getting 30 video ideas. Don't be dumb like this channel and just upload 11 videos and hope that you're gonna get views, because not every channel takes off that quickly. Yes, it's possible, as evidenced by some of these channels here, but we wanna give ourselves the best chance for success. And the way that we're gonna do that is by generating 30 video ideas and then uploading 1 YouTube short per day. Now, to get video ideas, we're not going to be creative. We're going to go to this channel, we're going to go to their most popular videos, and we're going to take note of the animals that are in the most popular videos. As you can see, we have black panthers, white lions, white tigers, woolly mammoths, dinosaurs, alligators, buffalo, and then a whole skew of other animals right here. The amount of combinations of different animals we can put versus each other is huge. We can take these animals right here and probably make 60 to 100 videos just out of these with all the possible combinations. And another thing we can do as well, since I've noticed that most of these animals are apex predators, we can literally go to the Wikipedia page of apex predators, take note of all these right here. We don't want to be creating videos though about things that nobody cares about. Like, I've never even heard of a Cuban boa, but what you could do is do a boa constrictor, because more people know what that is. And out of that list alone, we have thousands of possible combinations of videos. And to even get more ideas, we can go to the Tube Magic video script writer right here and then put in list of 30 apex predators versus each other. Then just click generate, and boom, now this has given us a bunch of more great ideas right here, so we're gonna take some of these. And I think we just got a god tier video idea right here, Black Panther versus Snow Leopard. Because this video got 89 million views on this channel, and it's a Black Panther versus a white wolf. And now I just wrote up 30 different ideas. It literally took me under 3 minutes. Here's our list of ideas right here. I think a couple of these actually have the potential of doing really well. And so now it's time for step number 6, which is to write your scripts, which is what you would have had to do if you were doing this the old-fashioned way. But now with the power of AI, we literally don't even have to write our script. And yes, we could potentially use something like Tube Magic, going into the scripting feature, going to something like article to script and pasting in an article about these animals versing each other, and then choosing a shorts from the template right there. Or you could jump into the video scripts here and choose short and say what your video is going to be about. I'm going to be showing you a shortcut past all of it. And that's to go to vid.ai, click create new, click continue, then type in what your video is about. For example, gorilla versus great white, who would win? Just click generate. And boom, just like that, our video is done. Let's take a look at it.
Who would win in a battle?
a gorilla, the king of the jungle, or a great white shark, the ruler of the ocean. The gorilla is known for it. Just like that, we have a video and we can go click download, upload that to YouTube. Literally in under an hour, we can have more videos than that channel that's getting 30 million views per month. And so there's nothing stopping you from starting channels in hundreds of different niches. And the cool thing about VidAI is you can also go in here and do your own custom script if you wanted to, and use a good script from TubeMagic, for example, which is world class when it comes to crafting YouTube scripts because we trained it with data from videos that have already gone viral and that are working. So then building this YouTube channel can literally be as easy as going in here, copy pasting each of these one at a time into VidAI. And now I'm actually really curious who would win with a megalodon versus giant squid. And now let's take a look at this one right here.
Imagine the colossal megalodon, a prehistoric shark lurking in the depth ocean, 43 feet.
And wow, it actually put together AI scenes of the two creatures, and take a look at this. It even gives a definitive answer on this as well, which I noticed a lot of those other channels aren't even doing. And you could get more creative with this too by giving prompts like give a controversial opinion, so you can trigger people to comment and debate, and that'll drive up your engagement. And this is just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do with AI now. So now when you have your videos, how do you upload them to YouTube and optimizing them without having that take up all your time? Well, you simply go to TubeMagic, go to Warp Upload, click Content, type in, this video is about a giant squid versus a megalodon, and who would win? Click Generate, and just like that, we have 3 amazing titles, a description, and even an optimized set of tags for this YouTube short. Now, the thing about YouTube shorts is that tags honestly don't matter that much, but what does matter is having a great title, which this will help you get multiple variations so you can see what will actually look good. Now, at this point, you might be saying, Matt, that is amazing. How can I sign up for VidAI? Well, unfortunately, we can only take on so many people right now due to the fact that this software is in beta. So what we're doing is allowing the first 200 people that sign up for VidAI to do it at a big discount before the price goes up to $100 a month. And if you join now, you can save this price literally forever. So even in a couple months from now, when this software does long form videos, and it has a full built-in editor so you can edit and tweak all these things and do fake texting videos, would you rather videos, split screen videos. It can already do gameplay background videos, by the way, as well, which is really cool. And also coming very soon is stock content videos. And about 100 other features that I wish I could talk about here, but there's honestly just too many to name. You'll get to have all of those with a discounted price, and you'll be part of the early adopters who are using this before the spots fill up. So if you're at all interested in doing this and you want to get a hold of this software so you can start using it to generate incredible shorts for your channels, just click the link below to sign up for VidAI. But if the spots have already filled up, don't worry, even when the price goes up to $100 a month, I promise you this software is going to be worth it. We are going to save you thousands of dollars per month when you compare this against hiring freelancers or doing all the work yourself. The amount of time alone that would take, as opposed to a low monthly investment. And that's what this is, an investment. And if you invest in this software, that investment is going directly into making this better and better and adding more and more features. Any features you want to see, let me know as well, and we will add it in there. Now is the best time to get started doing this. So simply click the link below if this feels right for you and you want to check it out and try it out for yourself. I can't wait for you to see it, by the way. It's absolutely amazing. It's honestly even blowing my own mind how incredible this software is. And in the next video in this series, I'm going to be doing a challenge where I actually sit down and generate as many shorts as possible in under 60 minutes. And I'm also going to be showing you tips and tricks on how to do this even faster and how you can potentially make even more money with this. I'm going to show you a couple secrets that nobody talks about online when it comes to short form content in particular. You're not going to want to miss it. If that next video is already out, you can check it out next to me right here. Hope you got a lot of value from this. Can't wait to see you inside VidAI. I'll see you there.